House of Representatives Speaker don withdraw bill wey go force Nigerians to vote during elections. Welcome country pipo to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification bell, e go ring once we drop update. Also like, comment and share our videos. My country pipo, e get one bill wey the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Abass, and one other representative dey sponsor to force Nigerians to dey vote on election day. That anybody wey e no vote, e go get penalty. That bill come stir controversy for the country. Lots of people speak against that bill, that instead of electoral reforms wey they go upgrade and improve on, they dey do wetin no get meaning for law. The tori when e come now, na how the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honourable Abass don talk say e don withdraw the controversial bill wey e go force people take vote on election day. For one statement wey im special adviser on media and publicity, Musa Abdullahi Krishi, wey e bring out on Monday, the Speaker talk for there say following ex ten sive consultations with a broad spectrum of stakeholders, he has decided to withdraw the bill to amend the Electoral Act 2022 to make voting mandatory for all eligible Nigerians, which he co-sponsored with Honourable Daniel Adama Ago. According to the media aide, from the outset, they bring the bill with the best of intentions, make e for encourage people to do their civic duties so that e go strengthen our democracy by encouraging people to turn out in high numbers during voting. The statement say compulsory voting e don tey when they dey practice am, and e bring success to countries like Australia, Belgium and Brazil, because e don help those countries their participation rates for election to rise above 90%, while countries like Argentina and Singapore, they don also implement the same measure, make e for make people dey active for their elections. Speaker Abass talk say e acknowledge say lawmaking na about the people, and so any reform wey they wan do, e go respect individual freedom and public sentiment. He say so rather than to force people to vote for election, he say they want to interact, they want to approach people so that they go see voting say e dey attractive and e go dey open to all Nigerians. E come hard say this bill wey dem dey withdraw so na to allow time make dem take dialogue further on the best way to take create a culture where Nigerians go dey voluntary to participate for our democratic process and to enjoy the rights wey they get as citizens of this country. Country people, this statement from the Speaker so, plenty people don applaud am, say na the right thing to do. You no go force people for a country like Nigeria when even e get some religious group wey dem no dey participate for election. So if you come put law say voting dey compulsory, na be say you go jail everybody when e dey that religious sect. So e good as they want to engage so that they go create awareness say na our civic right to vote on election day, and na when we participate na we go take elect the right people and also strengthen our democracy, no be the one wey dem wan force Nigerians do before. Our country people, how una see this bill wey the speaker wey e co formulate with another honourable don withdraw so? Make we know your thoughts for the comment section.